You have been accused of your detractors of anomalies that you are earning so much from government projects. I read this in the newspaper. What can you say about it?
No, Pastor, we have a website. And everything that we buy for the government of City of Davao using the people's money, taxpayer, is posted there. So it's really transparent. And I said, if you can show me one contract na tagilid, that's a product of corruption, you just show it to me. I will resign as mayor. I will resign as mayor. Kasi yung ganito, Pastor, yung mga contractors noon ng kalaban ko, they got their contracts ito, mga public works, infrastructure, using their saliva. Katabi mo lang yung pag-golf-golf ka, ibigay yung contract, tapos isubcontract mo. Yun yung maingay. At least nasabi ko naman sa kanila, ngayon, everything legally equal, you'll not get it. Ano, kasi sinuwerte kayo? Pahinga talaga kayo. Talo kayo sa politika. Tapos laway mo lang ang kapital mo, wala kang pera. And if you go around, Pastor, yung mga sinasabi ko na ibibigay ko, talagang may mga equipments, may mga tao. At hindi hawak-hawak lang yung laway para ipasa mo doon sa kabila para ka magkapera ng cut mo commission. Yun yung maingay. And I said, if they can show a contract that's disadvantageous to the government, show me and show it to the public. Kasi nakalagay doon. Yung mga bidders nakalagay, hindi mo kasi nasa internet na. Wala yung tinatago. Lahat ng kailangan mo, then you start to, you bid. So, wala kang matago ngayon. It's as transparent as it can ever be. So maybe the guys that are marginalized by the political events in the city, ayun. Ngayon kung sabihin ninyo na, well, of course, if you have the lowest bid, you should get it. As long as it's within the rules, the requirements. Pero kung sabihin mo, buhayin ko kayo, uli, bigay ko sa politika to. Totoo talaga. Politika, hindi ka nagkamali. Politika talaga.
Mayor, was that really happening before na laway lang gamiton niya?
Kita mo naman yung... Kita. It's until now, Pastor, makikita mo naman yung mga buildings niya na it's along this highway. You might want to take a look at Artica Coliseum, the dome there, that's never was. Malapit, makikita mo dito. It's rotting and
So the sour grapes are now marginalized. They cannot use their tactics anymore before because everything is transparent. You have it in your website.
Yes.
Website.
May sa website that. So lahat nandiyan lahat kung anong gusto ng bili ng ano yung mga contracts na being bidded. You can go there and bid. It's as open as it can ever be, I said.
Because, Mayor, this accusation is really below the belt. For others, it's like parang natural lang ito sa kanila. Pero for you, who have stood before and have been accused of many, many things, but not this one, for me, this is really below the belt.
Well, Pastor, in my time, you see 911, you have you can see it for your own eyes. It's not a perfect governance, but I'm trying my very best. I'm not saying it's the best. It's not for me to pull my own chair. I leave it to the people of Davao City. I've been mayor since 1988. Kung gusto ko man lang magnakaw, dapat inumpisahan ko noon pa. It's about too late in the day to start it. And if ginawa ko yon, kung nagnakaw ako nung first term ko, I could not have reached the second term. If I started to steal on my second term, I could not have the third term. And if I started to rob the people's money on the third term, I could not have won the fourth term. Kung nagloko-loko ako doon sa fourth term ko, hindi ako ngayon mayor, nagpupo dito. And the people of Davao, alam niyo.